The library is not just a place to study, it's people. And these people can help and teach you throughout your years at Stony Brook. Plus, the library offers a lot of great events. Here are some ways you can get more out of your library experience. Need help with your research? There are a number of ways you can get in touch with someone who can help you. Start with the library homepage, library.stonybrook.edu. In the top right of every page is an Ask Us button that opens a live chat service during weekdays. Real library faculty and staff will answer, and you can get help with whatever you're working on. Need more in-depth help? You can set up a one-on-one consultation with a librarian. Just click on Request a Research Consultation link from a homepage. Fill out some information, and a librarian will contact you to set up a consultation. There's also an email for questions. Just write to library_reference@stonybrook.edu. Want more? The library offers a full calendar of workshops and events throughout the year. We hold workshops mostly online that will help you learn how to do citations, how to research specific subjects, how to work with data, how to understand AI, how to protect your privacy online. And if we don't offer it, you can always suggest a topic. We also hold events so that you can learn exciting things or just do something fun. We have a STEM speaker series where SBU faculty describe their cutting-edge research. We work with counseling services and their partners for stress relief. You'll find violin concerts happening in the library, scavenger hunts, contests, and more. How do you keep up with all of this? Use the Cork app or go to SB Engage to register for workshops and events. And follow us on social media at SBU Libraries on X, Instagram, and TikTok. Remember, the library is not just a place, it's people. I think that came out pretty good.